In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move an object in PowerPoint using animations. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or a client project, adding movement to objects can make your slides more engaging and professional. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from selecting your object to applying and adjusting the animation so it looks exactly how you want. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you're working on. Once your presentation is open, navigate to the slide where you want to move an object. This could be text, an image, a shape, an icon, or any other element on your slide. Next, click directly on the slide workspace and select the object that you want to animate. When the object is selected, you'll see selection handles appear around it. This confirms that PowerPoint knows exactly which element you're working with. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on the Animations tab in the ribbon. This is where all animation tools and effects are located. Inside the Animations tab, you'll see a variety of animation effects displayed in a row. If you don't immediately see the one you want, click the small drop-down arrow or scroll through the animation gallery to explore more options. To move an object, you'll typically want to choose a motion-based animation, such as fly in, float in, or one of the motion paths options. Motion paths are especially useful if you want precise control over how the object travels across the slide. Click on the animation effect you want to use. After selecting the animation, click back on the slide workspace to apply the animation to your selected object. You'll notice a small number appear next to the object, indicating that an animation has been applied. If you chose a motion path animation, you'll also see a line showing the direction the object will move. If you want to adjust the movement, simply click and drag the object or the motion path line to reposition it. You can drag the end point of the path to control where the object finishes moving. This allows you to customize the exact direction and distance of the animation. Take a moment to fine-tune the placement so the movement looks smooth and natural. You can also control the timing of the animation. While still in the Animations tab, use the Duration and Start options to decide whether the movement begins on click, after the previous animation, or with the previous animation. Adjusting the duration will make the movement faster or slower depending on your preference. If you need additional options, right-click on the slide workspace or directly on the animated object. From the menu that appears, you can access Effect options or open the Animation pane for more detailed controls. The animation pane is especially helpful if you're working with multiple animations and want to manage their order or timing precisely. Once everything looks good, click the Preview button in the Animations tab to see how your object moves during the slideshow. Make any final adjustments if needed until you're satisfied with the result. And that's it! You now know how to move an object in PowerPoint using animations, adjust its path, and customize its timing for a polished presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.